Hello, my name is Shelley, and my topic for my persuasive speech today is why everyone should own a pet. Over half of the population in America owns either a dog or a cat. Dogs and cats have been household pets since the dawn of time. Over the past few years, many cardiologists and psychologists have discovered that owning a pet can decrease the risk of contracting many forms of heart disease and more psychological diseases such as depression. Do you ever feel anxious or stressed out? Owning a pet is known as one of the best mood enhancers, and doctors have been known to prescribe patients a form of medication that involves the patient going out and getting a pet, saying that having a pet should be greatly considered before looking towards prescription drugs to try to improve health. Psychologists say that petting your pet, whether it be a cat or a dog, can lead to an increase in your serotonin levels, which is a chemical associated with well-being. And it also decreases your level of cortisol, which is a hormone associated with stress. Seeing how a pet can decrease stress levels, they essentially become one of the best tools to help fight depression. Stress and anxiety are some of the major symptoms that lead toward depression. Having a dog around can decrease stress and anxiety so that people can go about their lives feeling better and being a little bit more upbeat. In one study done by MDs through WebMD of 240 married couples, the couples that had pets had lower blood pressure and heart rates. Pets are known to lower blood pressure and heart rates because they're calming and they're always happy to be around you. A study done by the American Veterinary Medical Association, which consisted of over 20 years, noticed that people without a cat were 40% more likely to die of a heart attack than people without one. With one. The statistic also had a strong effect on dog owners who also had a significantly better survival rate 1 year after a heart attack than the people that did not have a pet. After years of research and through the help of organizations such as WebMD, the American Veterinary Medical Association, and independent researchers, cardiologists, psychologists, and scientists have been able to deduce that having a cat or a dog as a pet can drastically lower your chances of dying from any form of cardiac disease or heart attack. Dogs also can have a drastic effect on the physical fitness of their owner. Physicians say that a human should get some sort of exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. It could come in the form of walking, running, or lifting weights. But people with dogs, they feel inclined to get up, take their dogs for walks, and it allows people with dogs the benefit of the owner and the dog as well, providing a healthy lifestyle for the whole family. A key to eliminating the pain of arthritis is stretching. And cat owners, they know that their cat stretches just as much, if not more, than any other animal. And as a cat owner, you can use your cat as a guide, and every time it stretches, you can mimic it to try and help get relief from the pain in your joints. As we grow older, it is crucial that we keep a strong social life because it allows us as people to stay approachable so that we can maintain relationships. Having a pet is always a great conversation starter with people walking their dogs outside, or when you visit someone's house and you notice that their cat's getting a drink of water. People that own pets are always willing to talk about their pets to anyone that wants to listen. Having a pet makes you feel special compared to other people because everyone's pet is different, and this can end up resulting in some fun conversation that you and another owner can relate to. Being a proud owner of a Pomeranian and a Bulldog, I know exactly the relief a pet can bring. College is stressful, but when I come home every day, my dogs are there waiting to love me and make all my stress melt away. Owning a pet has so many perks. It allows me to have someone always to talk to, because every pet owner talks to their pets. And I'm never bored when I'm home because I can always play with my dogs and they're always willing to listen. When you have a pet, you fall instantly in love with them because they become part of your family. And as part of your family, they're attached to you too, and they're sad when you're gone, and they're happy when you come home. Dogs are so loyal, they make you instantly forget about all of the hardships if you will just take 1 second to show your love, because they're always willing to return the favor. My experiences with animals and how they make me feel is enough reason for me to want to make sure I have a pet for the rest of my life. They are loving, they'll never judge you, and they'll remain loyal to you until the day that they die. The opposition may feel that having a pet can lead to an extreme case of unsociability in the form of the crazy cat lady. There are extreme cases where a person will choose to surround themselves by animals and only animals. This is unhealthy because it eliminates human interaction from our lives, which is necessary for a stable mind. Being the crazy cat lady, however, is not normal. Pet hoarding is what is titled as a form of hoarding, and hoarding is one of the worst forms of OCD, which is an extreme and powerful psychological disorder. OCD only occurs in less than 2% of the American population, so you can be fairly sure that you will not become the crazy cat lady or dog lady. Children having pets is also something that's very important. It gives a child a sense of responsibility and something belonging to them, and it helps them grow up to be well-rounded adults. In conclusion, domesticating and owning a pet is slowly sweeping the nation. Cats and dogs have been around as long as we have. We coexist in a way that most animals never could with any other species. If owning a dog or cat even has the possibility of decreasing the chance of having some major cardiac diseases or a potential to reduce the risk of depression and stress, why would you not want to go out and get one?